How to do a hard reset, factory reset Samsung Galaxy A21s, as you can see in this model. So how to do factory reset? The main thing, you need a USB cable. Just put with the computer, laptop, or even you can put in the charger, no problem. So just connect the cable, and then what you need to do, you will see here three buttons. You need to press volume down and power button together, and until you see the black screen appears, and then you need to press volume up and power button together. Just keep pressing both buttons, and you will see here we are in recovery mode. Now before doing directly factory reset, what you need to do, you need to scroll down and you need to click on wipe cache partition. So first of all, click on that, click yes, and after that again you need to come on wipe cache partition, click on that power button, hit yes, and after that you can go to wipe data factory reset, click on yes, and you are done. So now you can simply reboot your system, and that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobile YouTube channel.